The Guardians of Green. Once upon a time, a group of friends lived in a town called Sunnyvale. They noticed the summers were getting much hotter. Even the old oak tree looked thirsty. "We need to help our planet," said Maya. The friends decided to become Earth Guardians. Their first skill was learning to listen to nature. They sat quietly in the park. They noticed the birds chirping and the dry soil beneath their feet. Next, they learned about saving energy. Leo showed everyone how to turn off lights when leaving a room. "It's like giving the earth a little nap," he joked. They felt proud of their small win. Then they tackled water wisdom. Instead of letting the tap run while brushing teeth, they used a small cup. They learned that every drop of water is a precious gift from the clouds. The kids started a compost bin at school. They put fruit peels and veggie scraps inside. "This turns old food into vitamin-rich soil," Maya explained. It felt like magic happening in a box. They learned to reduce, reuse, and recycle. Instead of buying new toys, they traded with each other. A cardboard box became a spaceship. Their imagination had no limits or waste. In the garden, they practiced planting seeds. They chose local flowers that bees love. "Bees are our tiny partners," said Leo. They watched the green sprouts reach for the sun every day. The group learned about clean travel. They decided to walk or bike to the park instead of asking for a car ride. The fresh air made their lungs feel happy and their legs feel strong. One day, they learned about weather patterns. They used a homemade rain gauge to see how much it rained. Understanding the sky helped them know when the plants needed extra care. They also learned the skill of mending things. When Maya's backpack ripped, she didn't throw it away. She used a needle and colorful thread to fix it. It looked even better than before. The Guardians started a plastic-free lunch challenge. They used cloth wraps and metal boxes. No more crinkly trash. They cheered. Their trash cans stayed empty, and the playground stayed clean. They studied renewable energy by making paper windmills. They learned that the wind and sun can make power without making the air dirty. It felt like the earth was full of hidden strength. The kids practiced kindness to animals. They built a small pond for frogs and a bird bath for thirsty robins. They realized that humans are part of a big, beautiful family of living things. They learned to cook with plants. They made delicious snacks using beans and veggies from the market. "Eating green helps the earth stay cool," Maya told her parents at dinner. The friends practiced sharing stories. They made posters about what they learned. They used bright colors to show others how to be kind to the trees and the oceans. One afternoon, they learned to spot greenwashing. They looked for labels that were truly good for the planet. Being a smart shopper was a superpower they practiced every day. They organized a community cleanup. Even the smallest hands picked up wrappers. By the end of the day, the local park sparkled like a diamond under the afternoon sun. The Guardians learned that working together is the best skill of all. When one person felt tired, the others helped. They knew that many small hands can make a giant difference. Slowly, Sunnyvale began to change. More trees were planted, and people started to care more. The air felt fresher, and the birds sang louder than they had in many years. Maya, Leo, and their friends smiled. They were just kids, but they had the skills to protect the world. The Earth was their home, and they were best friends forever. If you like this story, please like the video and subscribe to our channel, Kids Love Nature.